The next recipe comes to us courtesy of my old bar manager, Brent Falco. The Alligator was created by bartender Dante Wheat in Louisville, Kentucky. It's a simple margarita riff, and you know what? You'll be glad you know it. So I did a little digging on this cocktail before I decided to do it, and I found 2 different specs. So today I'm just gonna do in the video the specs that I like, but I will provide the other specs for you guys as well. I also found out that Dante Wheat founded a company called Raw Pineapple, which is, I think, a clothing company. It looks pretty cool. You should check it out, link below. And he also writes a column called Beyond the Bar for the Yes Louisville website. All right, let's get into making the drink. 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. We're using the Clement orange liqueur, the Creole shrub. You can use the dry curacao, or you can use Cointreau, or whichever orange liqueur you like. 1/2 ounce of my quick and dirty cinnamon syrup, and 2 ounces of Fernet Branca. We're gonna be serving this cocktail over a big old rock. Add some ice to our tin. Make sure this guy fits nicely. Give it a nice shake. I'm gonna try and cut a couple very thin lime wheels here. The Alligator. That's quite possibly one of the best things I've ever tasted. It is very Fernet forward. The cinnamon syrup and the orange liqueur nicely balance, and then you have the tartness of the lime. Really nice build of flavors on your palate. And it has kind of a nice, kind of medium long finish as well, which I really like, but it's really tart. And then you have the balance of the sugar, and then you have the Fernet. And the Fernet is really strong, and then it sort of it just sort of melds into the other flavors as it kind of builds on your palate. It's really, really nicely done cocktail. The other specs for this is just take out the orange liqueur and then do 2 ounces of Fernet, 3/4 of an ounce lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of the cinnamon syrup. Yeah, I don't know, it's really good though, so. The Alligator.